Hello and welcome back to one of my videos, and today I'm going to review 3 slime shops from Etsy, starting off with Slime Boss UK. And in this package I've got some very nice extras, thank you, and a 4-ounce slime, and this slime is, I do believe, tropical Hawaiian cake in a jar, although it doesn't say on the bottom or anything, but a very nice screw top lid jar. This looks really good. It doesn't smell of anything, which is a shame. I would have liked for it to smell like a Hawaiian cake. It does look like a Hawaiian cake, so that's good, and it's very clayey. Colours are really nice, look at that, it's got good stretch. So this looks like a really good slime. It's just a shame it doesn't have the scent as well, because that would have been nice. So here it is. Very nice colours, and these will marble together nicely and make a nice orange slime. Yeah, it doesn't smell, definitely. So clay slimes don't really have much poke, but that's fine, we'll click. But it's a really good, stretchy, clayey, soft, light slime. And it's a nice idea as well. Nicely put together, makes nice roses. Yeah, I'm happy with this slime. So it's been packaged nicely, didn't crack, didn't spill. I love the logo as well. Very nicely done. And the extras, of course, some cola bottles, that's really nice, thank you, and a card. Very nicely put together, so thank you for that. And it does also come with a little baggie of borax. So that is the tropical Hawaiian cake in a jar, which I printed off because it didn't come with the printout. And it costs £4.50 plus £2.95 shipping, £7.45 total. So next up we have a slime I ordered from Slimy Climber, and I did order a couple of other things with this slime. So the slime I ordered is Lily Pad Bubblegum Slime, a scented slime smoothie with no charm. It's got very nice lollipop, and this is what I ordered, these little Oreo cookie cabochons and these wafer cabochons. So do go check out their shop if you're in search of some cabochons to decorate your slimes with. So here is the 4-ounce Lily Pad Bubblegum Slime. So I'm looking forward to this because it looked really cute. It's a shame it didn't come with the really cute little frog type charm, because that looked super cute. But here is Slime Climber's card. Very nice. And it's got loads of information on the back in teeny writing. So yeah, if you can read that, well done. And a cute little note with the slime. The slime looks so nice, so I'm looking forward to that. And inside the note is a little baggie of borax. It says thank you, enjoy, nice touch, thank you. I'm sure I will. So here it is, and it's in one of these super professional sealed containers, if I can find my way in. And this just looks exactly like the photo, and it smells really nice. I can't quite place the scent, but it's really sweet. It's got a sweety sort of scent to it. I'm not sure it smells like bubblegum exactly, but this looks really good. I love all the beads, sort of pastel coloured beads. There's stars in the bottom, and I think this needs activating, so I'll just go ahead and activate this a bit because it's a little bit on the sticky side after transit. Okay, so it's a lot better. It's been activated a bit, which is fine. It makes lovely swirls. It's got a good click, stretchy, and it's crunchy as well, which is really nice. So this slime cost only £3.50 for a 4oz in a screw top container, which is really good value, and £3.85 postage for everything I ordered, including the wafers and the Oreo cabochons. So I really like the slime. It smelt really good, and I love the pastel colours, and it was very nicely packaged and put together with a cute note, so thank you. So finally, I was hoping to review this slime from Slime Party UK on Etsy, and it's not arrived yet, so I don't know what's happened, but she's going to get back to me and hopefully I will be reviewing this gorgeous looking slime soon. And it is a sweet shop slime, and I'm really looking forward to this arriving because it just looks so good. So watch out for this in a following video. So finally, I have also ordered a slime from Unicorn Slime Shop, which is on its way from the US. I'm really looking forward to opening this and reviewing it on my channel, so watch out for that. That's going to come soon. Otherwise, thank you to the shops I've ordered from on Etsy, and you can find their links to their shops below. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. slimescribble.etsy.com is my Etsy shop, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!